fix my dryer?
Why are you always in a bikini?
Because I want to go out on a boat, but I'm tired.
So we were all gung ho. We got the beach bag ready and the cooler. Let's get some beers in the cooler and some snacks. And we're both just. I found dog girl. I found Farm Girl laying in the dog bed.
I was cuddling with my puppies.
And then she decided to change of plans, right?
Well, not totally.
Yeah.
But for now.
You know you're breathing that dust in.
I'm not.
So this is a how-to video. And yeah, I know, I always seem to get lucky and get bikini shots. But this is how, well, hopefully this will be a how-to video. Oh, your phone is ringing. So this will hopefully be how to repair a dryer that is heating but not drying. In other words, we've got hot, wet clothes in the dryer. So we're going to take the back panel off.
Oh.
You want to help?
It hurts my neck.
I love your glasses.
Oh, thanks.
We're going to take the back panel off and we're going to see if we can find a clogged up fan or something like that. Here we go.
How did all this stuff get up here? Oh, you don't even want to look on this side.
Yeah, I do.
No. It's bad. It's been quite a while since we had that really tall cleaner, remember?
Yeah.
She was awesome.
What was her name?
Helen?
Yeah, it doesn't look bad from here.
Well, this one doesn't. Okay. What are you looking at?
I've changed my mind. I'm gonna help you.
Help me help you.
What I don't like or understand is when people say, "We only watch your videos to see your wife in a bikini." Jerks. I guess I would too.
True.
That's the only reason I watch them.
Some people watch because they want to learn.
Yeah. Somebody out there needs to learn this. All right, so I got to go back downstairs and get more. Huh?
I gotta dress some clothes.
Yeah, it's coming. So she said earlier, as I said, we were going to go out on the boat, and she said,
let's go look for a new dryer.
if we were too tired to do that, so she said, let's go shop for a dryer. And I said, let's fix the one we have.
Nah.
Like that joke about the bulls. That's really not like that, but the old bull and the young bull are standing on the top of the hill looking down at the valley full of heifers, and the young bull says, hey, let's run down in that valley and one of those heifers. And I can't say the word, and the old bull looks at him and says, why don't we walk down there and them all? You know what I'm saying? All right, let's look at this part. You want to come out? Looking for a part. Instead of going shopping for a dryer. Could be like a no-cost fix or a $300, $400 dryer.
There's a mask down under here.
Hey, so I don't have to have a bunch of people whining.
Yeah.
Why don't you help me?
Okay.
All right, you ready? Come on, I'm gonna show you how to repair this. These, open them up. Is a, nope, oh, Jen.
Don't
Did it wrong.
Don't.
Okay, open the other one. Yeah, you're right. Okay.
These are very rusty.
What the hell? This right here. This should do it. Okay. Here you go. You know how to operate a drill, a chuck? Come on, I'll show you this stuff. All right, take that Phillips out of there. No, you gotta hold the whole chuck, you know. Hold this whole thing and run it backwards. Don't hurt your little fingers. Look at me. You're modeling, John.
Oh, yeah. I don't know how to do this.
Yeah, just hold it real tight and run it backwards. Here, give me
This whole thing?
Yeah, just not this, but just this. Okay, there you go. Now put that in the little cat. No. Look right here. Put it in there. Now put this in. You look like you can see Russia from your house.
Oh yeah. Wait, how do you?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah, run it forward. That'll go.
Ah. Pretty cool.
Tighten it. Like hold it and run it. Okay. There you go. So 55-year-old grandma repairs washer. That's what the title will be.
Backward here. These?
Yeah, there's like 4 of them.
It doesn't fit.
Are you sure?
Oh, it fits that one.
I told you to tighten it. That's why I said tighten it. Come on. Okay, 1 down. So there's 6, I guess. Is this going to take forever? It's funny that you're like the opposite of the guy with the plumber's crack.
Oh.
All right. Now this is why YouTube demonetized our channel, because you wear a bikini, and it's not. It would be okay if you were 25, but since you're a grandmother, it's vulgar. There you go. How'd you figure that out?
Because I tried to take this off.
Okay. Are you?
You remember how that goes?
Okay. Be careful. It's electrified. No, I'm kidding. It's unplugged. Don't cut your hand. Remember how badly I cut my hand? Okay, you got. It looks like you got one down below, or you have to lift it up off of. It's probably. Don't cut your hand. All right. Yeah, and you got to pull it out off of that hose connector. Looks like you have a devil's tail.
Duh.
All right. So now, in here is a fan. Hopefully there's not a capacitor. I don't want to touch a capacitor and get electrocuted.
Well, there's, because it holds.
Yeah, it holds the juice. So for
That's probably in there.
We've got to, I think, open this up too. And you see it's laden with lint. So what I did is, to help Farm Girl, I came in here and took some more screws out around this cover, and it's not really coming off, so I feel like I'd have to take, excuse me.
I'm helping you.
I feel like I'd have to take this
that's
apart to get this out, but I think possibly I could just clean these fan blades. You know, everyone has a chunk of dust, and
you think the dust would stop?
now bear in mind that I know somebody's gonna say, "It's, you dummy, it's the duct, you gotta clean the duct where it goes in the wall." Well, I've already done all that.
Wow, you sound like a real nice guy.
Yeah, I've already cleaned all that. I've traced the whole line and cleaned it where it exits the building.
You need it from outside.
Yeah, exactly. So if you'll hold this out, I'll clean all these blades off of here.
Do you want the little thingy that you can stick in there?
What's that? No, I'm not a French maid. Yeah, every one of these cavities is full. And I think that has a lot to do with the circulation problem. And while I've got this open, I'm going to turn this thing around, plug it in, and see if this is blowing hot air. Smart, huh?
Well, it is blowing hot air. It's just not drying the clothes.
No, I mean if it's blowing hot air out of the vent, then all that steam should be coming out, and the clothes will dry instead of just being hot and wet. What's happening is it's trapping the steam so that it's recirculating into the clothing, right? It's quite a lot of blockage lint. Yeah. And so this is where you put the screws, huh? They just fell where they fell. Okay. All right. Let that drop. Okay, hang on. You keep.
Good glow.
Keep.
Oh yeah, and up here too.
What?
Very lint laden. Is that a filter?
You are so smart.
Thanks.
How do you know how to figure all this stuff out? So let's see. Yeah.
What is on
Get all that out there.
it? Ew. Ew.
Ew.
I don't like that feeling. It's pretty gross. Ew.
Ew. Ew.
I don't know, Bert. I need something to clean up.
Oh, and how about it on the inside of this? Would you stop that damn thing? That is not a useful tool.
You think it'll leave stuff in there?
Put your French maid outfit on. I found something.
What?
I was pulling this lint trap out, wondering why it's not more effective, and I found these two screws, which are attached to this air chute panel thing. So I'm going to pull those screws out, and we should be able to drop this out.
And we should get a new.
What's wrong with it?
It's just clogged. Look at it.
Clogged?
Look at it. It's like sand or something.
Well,
Look, this part's totally clean.
and so what did you say? Do what?
Buy a new one.
No, that, again, fix the one you have.
No.
Just take it and hose it out.
Lost cause.
Hose it out. So Jen, why don't you hold this up for me? Okay, and then get ready for that to fall on your feet.
I don't think it's going to be that easy.
I think it is.
Oh, that's how you do that.
Uh-huh. Was I right or was I right?
You were right. It's in there.
Oh, that's fine. Yeah.
Perfect.
So now just pull that out. Let me see it. Face it to me. Oh, there you go.
Yeah. Holy crap.
Language.
I mean, wow. That's crazy.
Sound like a trucker. Okay.
Wow. Outside. Outside.
Bad dog.
Or at least over.
It's not really always this messy in here.
No, we just pulled all that stuff out of the laundry line.
Okay. This is how you repair
This is so gross.
a dryer that is
Wow, look.
steaming your clothes. Told ya. This stuff is not rocket science, you know?
It's sharp. Okay.
All right, are you done?
No.
Look at that.
I've not even begun.
Wow.
Oh, great.
Why don't we take it down and just hose it out and or suck it out with a.
Yeah. Well, can I hose it out here?
Yeah. Yeah, just set it over there under the hose and just blast it. I love our deck.
Me too.
I built all this.
Amazing.
Nice. Wow. You can make some kind of rocket stove out of these old dryer vents.
Yeah, for sure.
Ew. Ew. All right, hose it, hose it, hose it. That's very good. All right, and we'll be done.
We should leave this out here.
Yeah, we'll leave it to dry out. We don't even have our boat in the water yet. I don't think we're going out.
Well, let's not be so.
Oh, fine you are to me, Mary McGregor. And you say,
Fine you are to me, Mr. McGregor.
no, Rob Roy.
Rob Roy.
If I hear one more time about the only reason people watch your videos, I'm putting on a damn bikini.
I think you should.
Two can play this game.
It would be way better if I didn't have to wear a top though, because tops are not comfortable. Wait, what?
What? You can't even talk like that. We'll get banned.
Around the neck.
Yeah. If you were 25, that would be well, I don't think YouTube would allow that. Would you push that up toward me?
Is that all right?
Yeah. Hang on.
Huh?
I just have to set these. You want to do that? You go ahead and drill them in. See the drill?
I see it. Is it set to go forward?
Just see. Oh, you're so good at this. You're a handy woman.
Thanks.
See? The family that repairs appliances together stays together. Now, people think that you and I don't fight or bicker. That's just not true, is it?
That is definitely not true.
Yeah, we have our share of squabbles.
Oh, yeah.
But not like some. All right, try to put some of those back in there.
Yeah. Yeah.
What you doing, little biscuit? Hmm? He says, are you dropping some food on the ground, Dad?
Where does this go?
I don't see it, Dad.
I think it was like.
Oh, let's refer back to the video.
Oh yeah.
Okay, everyone.
Here, I'm gonna clean up.
Take video of what you do
I'm gonna get the lint.
while you're repairing. Bear keeps hearing stuff. He's like, "Hey, you guys are dropping food, right?"
Where is it? I can help you out.
More of the French maid, for real, or a Malibu maid, or.
Yeah. Because you are Exoman.
They don't want to see me doing the work, Jen. You do it.
I want to see you doing it. I can't even see you doing it.
Okay.
Babies in here.
Now
Now we're gonna try it, and then.
well, I know it's gonna work.
Okay.
I'm ready to
Put it all together.
see about getting new foam gaskets. Thank you.
Don't forget.
Okay, well, let me see. I think it goes right here, right?
Yeah. I think you need a longer screw.
No, I don't.
I think you might.
I have a little faith in my screwing ability.
I'm gonna leave that one alone.
You don't want to encourage me.
Yeah.
Don't film my bald head.
What bald head?
Yeah. See that? See that saucer back there?
No.
This is just something fun for appliance guys to laugh at.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. Hang on, let me look underneath you.
They have to be under this thing. You just push it.
Lift and push.
There's a button. Nope, I don't know.
All right. Okay. You want to come back there and tell me what's happening?
Oh, I feel air.
Yeah, give me your best,
yeah.
your best Kristen wigs.
Ooh. Oh.
Is it? Ooh, it stinks.
Oh, it does. It smells like it's burning.
Smells like
Burning.
ass. Burning ass. Can we say that on YouTube? Nice and hot then.
Yeah.
All right, some dust got on the heating element and is burning off, I guess. All right, so that's good, right?
Yeah.
We can put
You just have to hook up this
the hose back.
there. It's not gonna reach there.
You gotta kind of. I'll try to get you out once you get it hooked up.
How do you? I don't get it. Oh, it's getting hot.
Okay, that's a good sign.
How do you make sure it stays in there?
Well, I have to tighten that clamp, hose clamp down.
Ow! It fell out. Ow! Whew. That vacation weight.
So this has to go on here. This is not the easiest fit. Can you find one?
Yeah.
You know, this was just shoved over here, and this was not cinched down. Whoever plumbed this in here didn't do it right. So that's probably been heating up the house, you know. Have you felt hot air coming in this room?
Yeah.
Well, this is why. This was just I'm crushing this onto here. This aluminum.
Oh, it was just kind of hanging on.
Yeah, it was just shoved over there, so that no doubt hot air was pouring out around this. All right, now that, can you see all that crushed down?
Mm-hmm.
That's on there now, nice and solid. Okay, run it. Let's see if there's any air coming out. Okay, there is no hot air leaking out around this whatsoever. Cool.
Oh, this is awesome.
Back in business. And you're back in business. All right, so say thanks for watching, everyone.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Now you know how to repair your dryer and not buy a new one.
Foiled again.
Teach your wife out of a new dryer. I'll get you one at Christmas. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Lately,
20 pounds.
a lot. Yeah. 20 pounds, probably.
Yeah.
We're ramping up slowly, but actually the last couple weeks it's been getting busy. So love it.
You're a busy girl.
Smells like coffee everywhere around here.
I love Banshee Moon coffee.
Me too.